Hello guys, welcome to today's Swahili lesson. In this lesson, you're going to learn the most useful Swahili vocabularies for buying and selling items at the market. Karibu. Kuuza na kununua vitu sokoni. Selling and buying items at the market. So we are going to learn this by dialogue. And so we are going to have a conversation between the buyer and the seller at the market. Okay? So let us get into it. Habari za leo. How are you today? Nzuri kaka. Fine brother. Karibu. Nikusaidie nini? Welcome. How may I help you? Asante sana. Leo ninataka kununua vitu vingi. Ninataka kununua machungwa makubwa 20, maparachichi 8, malimao 5, mchicha mafungu 4, vitunguu mafungu 2 madogo, karoti kubwa nzuri kilo 1 na kichane kimoja cha ndizi. Ni bei gani? Thank you very much. Today I want to buy a lot of things. I want to buy 20 big oranges, 8 avocados, 5 lemons, 4 piles of mchicha, it's a local variety of spinach, and then 2 small piles of onions, and 1 kilogram of big nice carrots, and then 1 bunch of banana. How much is it? Machungwa makubwa kilo 1, kila moja ni 50, na madogo ni 40. Parachichi moja ni 150. Limao moja ni shilingi 10. Mchicha fungu moja ni 50. Karoti kilo 1 ni 100. Na kichane kimoja cha ndizi ni 500. Each big orange is 50 and small ones are 40 shillings. 1 avocado is 150. 1 lemon is 10 shilling. A pile of mchicha is 100. 1 kilogram of carrots is 100, and 1 bunch of banana is 500. Jumla ni bei gani? How much is the total? Jumla itakuwa 3,350. The total will be 3,350. He, ni ghali sana. Tafadhali punguza bei. It is very expensive. Please reduce the price. Sawa. Nitapunguza 150. Hivyo lipa shilingi 3,200. Okay, I will reduce 150. That's pay 3,200 shillings. Sawa, asante sana. Chukua fedha zako. Okay, thank you very much. Take your money. asante. Karibu tena siku nyingine. Thank you. Welcome another day. Haya, asante. Okay, thank you. Okay, and then we have some of vocabularies. Let us start with verbs. For example, saidia, help, lipa, pay, punguza, reduce, and the list goes on. Okay, and then we have adjectives like baya, bad, fupi, short, gali, expensive, and the list goes on. And then we have expressions like bei gani, what is the price, or how much is it? And then mche wa sabuni, a bar of soap. And then mboga za majani, vegetables. Okay, and then we have list of nouns from each class. For class 1 and 2, we have muuzaji, wauzaji, mnunuzi, wanunuzi. For the first, muuzaji is seller, okay, and then wanunuzi is buyers. Okay, for class 3 and 4, we have nouns like mchicha, michicha, mchele, mchele, rice. Okay, for class 5 and 6, we have nouns like soko, masoko, market, markets, parachichi, maparachichi, avocado, avocados, fungu, mafungu, pile, piles. Okay, and the list goes on. And then the class 7 and 8, we have nouns like kitu, vitu, thing, things, kichane, vichane, bunch, bunches, kikapu, vikapu, basket, baskets. Okay, and lastly we have class 9 and 10, nouns like jumla, total. Okay, ndizi, banana, okay, or bananas, karoti, carrots. Okay, and the list goes on.